is not only an educational institute, but it also helps the overall development of an individual. Finance has been my dream career, and Certified Investment Banking and Operations program at Imarticus has brought me closer to it. It has shown me ways beyond the Indian markets. The best part of the course is the extensive practical education, like guest lectures, case studies on different companies, and presentations. Lulz ma'am has been the backbone of this course. She ensures that every student is seen to and they perform well. I would also like to mention the amazing efforts made by the placement team. Joy sir, Aishwarya ma'am and Rohan sir have given an immense support and ensured that the best opportunities reach to us. Special thanks to Swapnil sir for taking responsibility of every student. There is no better place to start your career in finance than from Imarticus. Thank you.